Okay, everyone, welcome to the Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas, room 7254. Let's take a look at this wonderful suite. Oh, always love a good doorbell. So this is the grand suite that we are going to be viewing today. It's a wonderful suite. It's on the smaller side. There are a lot larger suites than this on the ship, but this is a wonderful suite, comfortable suite. As you can tell, this is the widest shot I can get for you. We are entering and standing in the foyer right now. Has a little bar space, refrigerator underneath there, as you can tell. The bathroom is right off the front door. We will look at that in a minute. Let's go back to the room because that's what everyone really wants to see. You can see the size of the room. The living room is a very nice size, large television, large couch, 2 large chairs, right one down below here. And then the master bedroom, which is nice. It does not have a door, but there are 2 curtains that draw back that'll keep things private for you, but still no door. As you can tell, this is a nice size, very comfortable living room. Pull-out sofa, I believe, that you can get probably 4 people in here. And in the master bedroom, it's also a very nice size, lots of floor space to walk around actually, which is nice. The vanity's on the right, we'll look at that in a minute here. And it does have a very nice view out to the ocean, which will come in, there it is, come clear right now. It is not a door that goes out, it's just a large window, but still nonetheless very nice. I will swing back around here so you can see the full vanity. And there's the full vanity. Lots and lots of storage in the suite. Some of the storage is a little awkward. I think that's just because of how it was built for space reasons, but in a moment you'll see the rest of the storage, which happens to be in the foyer, but still nonetheless lots of storage here on this vanity space. Nice large television, and then you can exit the suite on this side of the room. So we'll go back into the living room now, which is where we're coming. All right, and we'll look at the room from this side. And there's the bathroom door. We will go into the bathroom and take a look there in a minute. So because the bathroom's not an ensuite bathroom, you can have to access that through the living area and the foyer. So this will probably be a great suite if you have children as well, but if you have other adults traveling with you, just keep in mind that there's probably not a lot of privacy going on here in this suite, like unlike the others, but still very spacious, very nice. And one of the nice parts about any suite that I think everyone enjoys is the large balcony. So let's go take a look and see what we have out there. Open the door. Right. So we do have a wonderful table and chair set. And we have been eating breakfast here with this amazing view every single day. Look at this, guys. It's just as amazing, isn't it? On the Caribbean at 5 o'clock at night. The sun is starting to go down. Just sitting here on a couple lounge chairs, relaxing. This is why you get a suite, because it's just nice and private and exclusive. And you do have access, to lots of breakfast options, including the coastal kitchen upstairs for suite guests only. But I'll tell you what, just to be able to sit and have breakfast every single morning in your room and overlook the ocean is amazing. So let's come back in here. Again, we will conclude our tour back over here where we started in the front. Again, lots of storage. Look at the storage right here. And this was opened up for us by my lovely assistant. I will show you a little bit of this storage. So right off of the foyer area is a huge closet. This is your main closet to hang. Lots of storage inside there. And shut this door. We have over here even more storage right next to the front door, which is behind this with 2 large mirrors. Love the large mirrors. Plenty of room for people to look. Make sure they look tidy and beautiful and handsome for their night out on the ship. Master bathroom. Very, very nice size. Large. Love the finishes. Lots of storage again. As a matter of fact, the mirror there does turn into it opens up into a storage as well. One of the interesting things about this suite is that while you don't have your standard shower that is in the smaller balcony or smaller staterooms, it is quite larger, but it's still a soaking tub with a shower. But oddly enough, there's only a half a pane of glass here, so I'm not sure why they did that, but I think it has something to do with how you soak in the tub and how the water drains as well. But nonetheless, it's a suite. It's not a normal stateroom that you can barely fit into the shower, so that's one of the nice perks about being in the suite. It's hard to get a good picture of that. So anyways, let's close this door and we will end the tour with this beautiful view of the Grand Suite. Again, I hope this has given you a lot of information. We know sometimes the websites and the cruise lines don't offer a whole lot, and our goal is just to present to you our fun experiences in different hotels and cruise ships so that you can make informed decisions as well and have a great experience on your vacation as well. Thanks for watching, everybody.